So you're in school or you've just gotten your degree in fine art. Where will the world take you? Perhaps your work will be shown in galleries commanding high prices and great acclaim. It's very possible. But how will you be paying your rent while you're working your way toward that goal? May I suggest a career in decorative art? What you may not realize is that many decorative artists have a background in fine art. And for decorative artists living in urban areas, they can easily command prices of $300 to $500 per day on their labor on murals, plaster finishes, bas-relief, Venetian plaster, abstract art walls, gold leaf restoration work, mica-layered epoxy, and so much more. All applied to walls, ceilings, furniture, and floors. Yes, it's hard work, and you'll be climbing ladders and scaffolding pretty much every day. For decorative artists, there are aspects of both craft, learning to use trowels and tools and specialized brushes, together with your own inherent artistic creativity. You'll interface with designers, clients, and construction companies while building a portfolio and promoting your work. So it's not the same as one of those 9-to-5 soul-killing jobs that pays next to minimum wage. You'll need to understand that you'll be building a business. But this is a fulfilling way to utilize all your talents. If you want to know more, join IDAL, the International Decorative Artisans League. It's an amazing organization of decorative artisans who mentor and have classes on every aspect of building a successful decorative art career. Visit IDAL.org and take a look at our upcoming convention on November 3rd through 7th in St. Charles, Missouri. Look at our online class program as well. IDAL.org, your path to a creative future.